If you want to delete a segment of a video, this is the way to do it. We're gonna open the iMovie app and we're gonna select a file and then tap on edit, and we're gonna have our timeline right here on the bottom. And as you can see, this is the mistake right here. We're gonna tap on the timeline and then split it, and then we're gonna go to the end of the mistake, tap on the timeline, split it, and once you have the mistake split it from both sides, you only have to tap on it again and tap on delete it, and then you're gonna have the segment out of the timeline, and that's the way you can erase it. And let's say that you also wanna erase this part right here, this segment. You only have to tap on it and tap on delete, and then it'll be gone. That's the way to do it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.